Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and I will show you how to do hard reset through settings. So to start off, open up Settings app, which will be, for me, it's located here. But if you can find it, you can always see it either in the app drawer or right here on top when you pull down the notification. So opening that up, you can scroll all the way down to Backup and Reset. And from here, you see the Backup Data Reset. So tap on that and confirm, reset phone, and erase everything. And now the phone will start removing all the data. And this might take a couple minutes, so be patient. And once it's done, I will be back. Okay, and as you can see, now the process is finished and you are at the Android setup screen. So to continue, you can just go to the setup as you like, and I'm gonna set it up as new device. Now, if the phone was connected before, it might ask for, it might like require to connect to Wi-Fi, so it can confirm. So you can confirm the password of the previous email. But this is NU, so it won't be here. We'll just go straight through it. Now I'm gonna, for instance, put email here. So now let me put in the password. Okay, once you put in the password, you can click on next and you'll see this screen, and just click on agree. Oh, I'm not gonna add any fingerprint for now. Skip anyway. Agree to the Google stuff, and put on no thanks, and all set. And right now you should see the home screen. Oh, there it is, and everything is working, and the device has been reset, and yeah, so that's how you hard reset it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.